Bueno, temos xa a terceiro da ESO D e a súa proposta en inglés chamase Teen Beach Movie. Teen Beach Movie. Non me pidades co DB3 porque eu son de galego de castellano malamente, pero en inglés terceiro da ESO D.
In my circulation, I can lead my lead away to cause a commotion. I never want to jump into the ocean, flying high, just at the beach, and it feels much when it's for me. Surf, 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 like a perfect wave, say hi to the sky. Surf, 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 it's a bikini wonderland. Surf is alive. The radio blast, and here's the plan. The surf at the side, you're the ultimate tan. Making it all in the rain, just so I can go shine. Cruising, keeping me cool, smooth and steady. So lay back, yeah, things are good. You're cruising. What did I see? 100 little babies all staring at me. I was cruising.
Ese foi o aplauso para os de terceiro da ESO de